right, dear children, welcome back to the class. We have started this chapter called Sources of Energy, and we are at the third lecture. And we have discussed about, so many sources of energy. Let us discuss a little bit about solar energy, right, dear children? So let us try to understand about solar energy. Okay, solar energy is called as primary source of energy, no? So whatever solar energy is there, this is called as primary source of energy, dear children. Why it is called primary source of energy? From the solar energy only plants do photosynthesis and they produce their food. From plant basis only everything will continue, right? So that's why this is known as primary source of energy. Now this solar energy is there, no? So this solar energy can be used for, solar energy comes from sun, no? It comes from sun, everybody knows that. Okay, comes from sun. Okay, since so many years, millions of years, sun is providing energy to us. So whatever this solar energy is there, this solar energy can be used basically for two things. Okay, one is for heating purpose. Okay, another is for producing electricity. Okay, producing electricity. So these are the two things for which it can be used. Okay, for heating means, what are the applications of heating from solar energy? One is solar cooker. Okay, solar cooker. And next one is like solar water heater, right? Solar water heater. So these are the two applications where solar energy can be used. Okay, for drying the clothes and all, that's a different issue, different thing. If you just think into energy things, so one is for a solar cooker for cooking purpose, another is in a water heater to heat the water. Already, children. Now the picture of solar cooker is shown in your textbook also. Okay, solar cooker is just like one box. Okay, it is one box like this. Okay, and there will be one mirror on one side. It is a mirror. Okay, so here is the mirror. All right, dear children. And this box, whatever this box, solar, whatever rays are there, those rays will be coming here. Okay, rays of light will be coming and falling on this mirror. And here there will be a container. Okay, you can place a container here with whatever food you want to cook. Okay, so then after that, these rays of light are there. No, these rays of light are going to fall here, and whatever this cooker is there, no, this is painted black inside. Why it is painted black inside, dear children? Because black color can absorb more heat. I will show it in the, a diagram also. Okay, in the book also I will show you. So whatever this inside this solar cooker, no, inside solar cooker, inside solar cooker, it is painted black. It is painted black. Okay, why? What is the reason? What is
It
the reason for
absorbs
this?
more heat, sir.
Okay,
Absorbs
you
more
have
heat.
the right. It absorbs more heat. Why it is painted black means it absorbs more heat, and with more heat, the food will be cooked very soon. This is the container. Okay, and on this, no, there is a glass. Okay, they have placed one glass here. I'm going to show that glass with some other color. With this color, I will show you here. So this is the glass what they have placed here. So here they have one transparent glass. What is this? This is the transparent glass. Okay. If they ask you, what is the task of this transparent glass? Why there is a transparent glass in the solar cooker? You have to say, look at this. This is the box. Okay. Inside they have this black color and all. This is the box. So whatever I'm painting right now. So this is the box and it is painted black inside, all with the black paint so that it is observing more heat. And after that, above this we have this glass. Okay, this glass sheet is there, transparent glass sheet is there. Okay, through this, and this is a mirror. Okay, this mirror, whatever mirror is there. So what is the, task of mirror will come to that. Transparent glass, no, it won't allow, it won't allow the heat entered, heat entered or rays entered. It won't allow the heat to escape. It won't allow the heat to escape from the box. From the box, it won't allow the heat to escape. Now, what is the task of mirror? Mirror helps in focusing the rays, helps in focusing the sun rays, sun rays into the cooker or into the box. So this is the task of this. And whatever this transparent glass is there, no, it is not allowing the heat to escape, means it causes which effect? It causes greenhouse effect, right, dear children? It causes greenhouse effect. Okay, so one more question can be asked here. Okay, because of this glass in because of this glass in the solar cooker, which effect is created? Then you have to say greenhouse effect is created. Is it clear? Is everything about solar cooker is understood, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am going to show you that diagram also. So whatever diagram is there, I'm going to show you that, so that you have a complete feel of it. Okay, so let me show you that. Where is it? I think I have got this textbook, and in this I have that solar cooker. All right, dear children. So here we have that solar cooker. Can you see this? I mean, inside it is painted black, no, dear children? It is painted black or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Okay. And here is the mirror, and rays of light will be entering here, and they will be focused inside. And they have one glass sheet here. And this glass sheet will be causing what effect? This will be causing greenhouse effect. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I hope all these things about solar cooker is clear to you. Okay. You can draw a diagram from the book, and a simple diagram I have given you there, but with all detailing. All right, dear children. Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now look at this. I mean, usually I will come back to this also, and I may explain here only. So whatever there is something called solar cell. I want to convert this solar energy into electrical energy. Means if I want to convert this solar energy into electrical energy, means in between here. So I have put this arrow mark, no? So at this arrow mark, I mean in between these two, what is needed? Here I need something called solar cell. Okay, solar cell. It is one electronic device. Okay, so I need solar cell. Which solar cell means what? It converts solar energy into electrical energy. Okay, so solar cell is very small in size. Now this one solar cell cannot produce so much of electricity. That's why there is something called solar cell panel. Look at this, you must have seen this already. Solar cell panel means it will be one rectangular structure. On that different solar cells, see, look at this, these different cell means, you understand, no, fundamental unit, we call it as fundamental unit, like that. All of these, I mean whatever I have drawn here, no, so these are the different solar cells. For example, I have painted red here, no, so this is one solar cell. I mean this is another solar cell, here also one more solar cell, like that. Different solar cells, I mean multiple solar cells join together join together to form solar cell panel. What is that? Solar cell panel. Look at this, I mean here is the panel, solar cell panel. Here they have shown it here. Okay, so this is a solar cell panel. And I mean there will be one battery also to store the electricity. Okay, so there will be one battery also. And by using this, I mean street lights, look at this, this is a street light, what they have shown here. So I mean by using that, this will be solar rays will be, I mean sun rays will be incidenting on it, and the solar cell convert that into electrical energy that will be stored in the battery. Okay, and whatever it is there, it is again used for the street lights. Is it understood, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, they may ask you, name the device which converts solar energy into electrical energy. Then you should be able to say solar cell is a device which converts solar energy into electrical energy. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is regarding your solar energy and how it is converted into electrical energy. I hope all these things are very, very clear to all of you. Then looking into a few more things. Now, these solar cells are very expensive, dear teacher. Whatever solar cells are there, no, they are very expensive. Now, if you want to buy a petrol car, it's a cheap one. Now, if you want to, purchase electrical car, it is a bit expensive. But if you want to, purchase one solar, car which is run by solar energy, it is very, expensive. So, what are the disadvantages of solar energy, dear children? What are the disadvantages of solar energy? I mean, using solar energy, there are no disadvantages. Before going for disadvantages, we can see the advantages also. Disadvantages, it is, the only disadvantages is it is expensive, right, dear children? They are expensive. This is the main disadvantage. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, they are expensive. And one more thing, why they are expensive is to connect this solar cell. No? I mean, in this solar panel, so whatever solar panel is there, no, in that solar cells are there to for the interconnection, of cells. For interconnection of cells, silver is used. Silver is used. It adds to cost. It adds to cost. So it is more expensive. I mean, same thing. First point only, I have just added it here. I mean, silver has to be used for the, quick, movement at all. So that's why whatever the solar cells are there, they're quite expensive. This is the main disadvantage of solar. Harnessing the solar energy. Is it clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
tell me, what are the advantages of solar energy, dear children? Can you tell me what are the advantages? What are the advantages of using solar energy? Tell me. Advantages of using solar energy. So first thing is like it is pollution free, no? Does it cause any pollution, dear children? No, right?
No, sir.
And second one is, it is a renewable source of energy, no? Renewable source of energy. Can be used for long period of time. So same thing, can be used for a long period of time. Correct? Long period
Require
of
little
time.
maintenance.
Require little maintenance. Okay. Require little maintenance. Yes or no? So these are the advantages of solar energy. Clear? Clear, dear children? Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
one more thing I wanted to add in disadvantage. I have given you only one disadvantage, that is expensive. So that's it. Initial cost of setup is more. In disadvantage, you can write one more point. Initial cost of setup. Initial cost of setup is more. Initial cost of setup is more. This is one more disadvantage. Is it clear? You can write that in disadvantage.
Sir, it
Okay.
also causes greenhouse effects.
How it causes greenhouse effect?
Sir, in solar cookers.
In solar cooker, what is produced? See, greenhouse effect means, see, look at that. Greenhouse effect, if it is happening in the, for example, this is the earth surface. Around this earth surface, greenhouse effect is happening means it is, dangerous for us. Inside this solar cooker, no, greenhouse effect means what? Heat is trapped here. Greenhouse effect is means what? Heat is trapped. Don't you think this greenhouse effect is good for, the solar cooker? Because it is not happening outside, no, it is happening inside. Inside means, heat is trapped means food is cooked fast, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are- Yes, are you getting my point? Don't think like it is causing greenhouse effect and it is dangerous. No, this solar cooker, whatever it is, that inside it is happening. So that's, it's okay, no? Hmm? See, greenhouse effect means what, dear children? Greenhouse effect means heating. Heating effect due to this carbon dioxide. Heat is trapped. Now, do you think without greenhouse effect we can survive?
No, sir.
Varsha, if greenhouse effect is not there, would be very numb. Okay, Mudol would not have
Yes.
been the same place as it is. If greenhouse effect is not there, means all of us would have become ice. Okay, so that's why greenhouse effect is necessary. Much of heat is not required, but definitely heat has to be maintained, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Now, applications of solar energy. Applications means what do you mean by applications? I mean uses of solar energy. There are so many uses, no? Starting from drying the clothes. Just imagine your life without solar energy. Uses, applications of solar energy. Applications of solar energy. Okay, what are the applications? They have mentioned so many here. Look at this. I mean, they are
Traffic
use.
signals.
Yes, there. You can write here many. Whichever you are missing, we'll see that in the traffic signal used in traffic signals. Next, used in calculators. You have seen that solar panel, no, dear children? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Used in spacecrafts, spacecrafts and satellites. Okay, there are so. I mean, they can be used in remote areas. Can be used in remote areas. Used in remote areas where electricity supply is not there. Where electricity supply is not there. Then anything else? Somebody told something. Yes.
Used at home, sir.
Yeah, a domestic use. You can say domestic use. Domestic use. Okay. Then what else? I mean, they are used as TV relay stations in remote locations. Okay. I mean, wherever remote location is there, it is used. Artificial satellite already have mentioned. Space probes. Okay. So these are the things. Okay. These are the main thing. Already we have covered all of them. So in these places, solar energy is used. Is it clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Clear, no? Solar energy. About solar energy, everything is clear. Already you know this. Just we have put it in the form of all these applications and users and disadvantages and advantages. That's it. And that solar cooker thing and painting black, that was also one more new thing. Clear, dear children?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Then moving forward, I think solar energy, it is over now. Now let us talk about a little bit about this wind energy also, no? So let us talk about this wind energy also, and let us try to understand. So wind energy. So here is the wind energy, I guess, where it is. Okay. So here you can see this. No, this is a windmill. In wind energy, what happens, dear children? Here, kinetic energy of wind is converted into electrical energy. Correct? Correct. No, with the help of turbine, or you can say with the help of windmill. You can just call it as windmill. All right. So this structure itself is known as windmill. Okay. Now, if I ask you, what are the, I mean, this is quite simple, no? I mean, wherever there is a strong flow of wind, I mean, just, I mean, make it sure that we have these windmills like this, and these windmills will be rotating, and these windmills are linked with turbines, and these turbines will rotate, and they are coupled with generator, and they'll produce electricity. That's how it works, no, dear children? Yes, dear children.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what are the, advantages of this wind energy? Tell me. What are the advantages of wind energy? I mean, you harnessing wind energy. What are the advantages?
Domestic.
It is pollution free, no? Advantages. It is pollution free or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pollution free. And needs less maintenance. Needs less maintenance. Okay, again and again we are not supposed to, I told you, no, already near Ramdurg, while going to Ramdurg and while going to Nargund, we have all these windmills, no? Have you seen them, dear children?
Yes, sir.
You have seen? Okay. Yeah. So will there be any people always handling with this? I mean, handling with these windmills, I mean, repairing them and all. Have you seen people like that? No, right? I mean, less maintenance. They need less maintenance. That is the advantage. Clear, dear children? Correct, no? And it is renewable source, no? It is renewable source of energy, no? Continuous flow of wind will be there. And these are the advantages, right, dear children? Advantages of using wind energy. These are the advantages.
Excuse me,
Is it
sir.
clear? Yes, please.
Sir, in textbook they gave they need a high level of maintenance, no, sir?
See, I mean, first of all, there is a I mean, high level of maintenance for what? I mean, for this, I mean, whatever fans are there, no, for that they need high level of maintenance. I mean, instead of saying need less maintenance, you can say, I mean, no recurring expenses. They have mentioned one thing called no recurring expenses. What do you mean by recurring? Recurring means again and again we should not put money. Once we have put money into this, I mean, it's over now. I mean, after that, that maintenance, whatever is there for everything, that maintenance will be needed for sure. But the recurring expenses won't be there. That's what they have mentioned. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again and again, we should not put money. So, in terms of economics, in terms of finances, economics or in terms of finance, they need less maintenance. That's what they wanted to say. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. They need more maintenance. They have mentioned afterwards about this fan and all. They'll be exposed to all this sunlight. They're exposed to this wind. They're exposed to this moisture. Okay, they are exposed to this cyclones. Yes, they're exposed to so many things. No, so that's why there is a wear and tear. They have to be replaced. For that, more maintenance they have mentioned. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So advantages of using wind energy are clear, I guess. Now, what are the disadvantages?
Need large areas, sir.
Ah, disadvantage. Good, very good. So disadvantages. So what are the disadvantages? So disadvantages is like just within one place, just we place a solar water heater. No, it needs, I mean, just rooftop. It's not like that. Okay, needs large area. Needs large area. Huh. Then,
Need place where wind blows more, sir.
good. Needs a place where continuous flow of wind is there. Continuous flow of wind is there. Continuous flow of wind is there throughout the year. Okay, throughout the year or most part of the year. Okay, continuous flow should be there, but usually it's very difficult to maintain that continuous flow. Next, third one,
The
need.
initial
I
cost
mean,
of setup is
yeah,
high, sir.
need. Yes, good. Need high cost to set up. To set up initially. Okay, initially it needs. I mean, more cost. Next, wind speed should be high. No, speed should be high, and they have mentioned it should be greater than 15 kilometer per hour, right? That
Yes,
is
sir.
greater than 15 kilometer per hour. Greater than 15 kilometer per hour. Then anything else? Yes, tell me. Fans are exposed to sunlight, then rain, then to
Room.
cyclones, then to moisture. So high level of maintenance, high level of maintenance is needed. High level of maintenance is for needed for fans or those windmills, you can call, right? Then what else? Whenever there is no supply, I mean, there should be some backup facility, no? There should, for everything it is a disadvantage. There should be backup facility. There should be backup facility in case windmill do not work. Okay, If it is not working means we need backup facility. Is it clear? Yes, dear children.
Yes, sir.
Then anything else? Any disadvantage? Any other disadvantage? What you want to quote? In case windmill do not work. Any other disadvantage, dear children? Okay, I don't think any other disadvantages here. There are so many already we have mentioned. Okay. So now what is the difference between windmill? I mean, this windmill is there, and this one structure is called windmill. If you make one more structure like this, okay, this is one more windmill. So like that, many windmills together, okay, many windmills together, many windmills together, they form wind energy farm. What is this? Wind energy farm. It is called as wind energy farm. Clear, dear children? What is wind energy farm means? So you can just say many windmills together, it forms a wind energy farm where wind energy is converted into electrical energy. Clear, dear children? Yes. Please confirm whether it is understood or not. Wind energy.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
So
Yes, sir.
now do one thing. So whatever this solar energy is there, I think where it went, I think it is downside. Whatever solar energy is there, that is downside, I guess. So this wind energy is also over now. What are the advantages? What are the uses? Means that's what it is converted into electrical energy. And what are this disadvantages? We have learned about them. And this solar energy also we have learned. So will you take some time to read all these things, dear children? This about this solar energy. There are so many things mentioned here, so many activities also. Will you read them, all of them? This paragraph, this paragraph. Will you read them, dear children?
Yes, Yes, sir. sir.
Okay, you have to read them so that I mean this also biogas plant also you read. So this is the I mean assignment for you. Assignment. I mean these things are now about this hydro power plant. And after hydro we have thermal power plant also, and this is one small activity. And about this, see, you have to keep on reading. So if you keep on reading means you'll keep on getting all these things. All right, dear children.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? See, immediately I can complete this also. Energy from the sea, I can just do it. Tidal energy, wave energy, ocean thermal energy. Can you look at this? Tidal energy, wave energy, ocean thermal energy, geothermal energy, nuclear energy. So this will be over. Immediately I will complete this because all details are there in the form of diagram. I can show them. But I want you to read all these things. Will you read from wave energy today? What is today's assignment? Today's assignment is like I mean, you have to read about all previous things, whatever previous sources of energy are there. You have to repeat them. Then you have to read about this energy from the sea. Will you do that? Energy from sea. Will you read at least them?
Yes, sir.
Yes, dear children. Okay, these are the two assignments what I'm giving you now. So previous sources of energy you read, and energy from sea. What are the energies from sea? One is tidal energy, another is wave energy, next is ocean thermal energy. Only you read these three. Then geothermal and nuclear, I will be handling them. I will be giving them as assignment tomorrow, or maybe I will be explaining them. All right, dear children. Yes. Will you
Yes, sir.
see? I can complete it in today's class only, but I don't want to do that. I want you to read this. Okay. So this is a today's assignment and do it. All right, dear children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So thank you very much for joining the class. And in the evening, madam will connect with you with chemical reactions and equations. Thank you very much. Have a good day and bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye everyone.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye everyone.